Don't you just find that you start craving lighter foods in the springtime? Today, I have just the answer to that light food craving that you might have. I'm going to show you how to prepare a very easy, quick meal using cod, fresh cod. We're going to wrap it up in some aluminum foil, bake it for a little bit, and have a wonderful meal using fresh fish and wonderful fruits and vegetables. So first of all, you'll see that I've got my cod here. It's a nice, firm, white flesh ocean fish, and I store it in the refrigerator by putting it on some ice and then covering it with plastic wrap, storing it on the bottom shelf of the refrigerator because that's the coolest place in your refrigerator. But only store it this way for about a day or two and be sure you eat it after that. So I've got my cod ready. I have some fresh baby spinach leaves that I'm going to use. The baby spinach leaves I'm going to set on the middle of a piece of aluminum foil that's about 12 by 20 inches. And I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of salt and a little bit of fresh pepper right over the spinach. Just leave it like that. And then I'll take my cod fillet, which is probably about 4 to 5 ounces, and lay it right in the middle of my fresh spinach leaves. And then also give that a little sprinkle of salt and a little bit of pepper. Easy so far, right? Now, to top that, I'm going to take the juice of one fresh orange and squeeze it. You can use your juicer or you can use a fork to get the juice out. And to the juice of one lemon, I'm going to add just a few, or not a lemon, an orange. To this orange juice, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of fresh ginger. I've taken just a small piece of ginger, peeled the skin from it, and I've grated it using my special little grating tool. You can use any fine grater that you have at home. And when I have about 1.5 teaspoons, I'm going to just scrape it right into my orange juice and oil mixture. And then I'm going to drizzle some. This is a little bit that I made earlier. I'm going to drizzle it just nice and lightly over my cod. And you can do as much as you want. And then I'm going to just sprinkle a couple little red pepper flakes and a little bit of toasted cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are whole seeds that I've toasted in my pan by putting them over high heat and shaking and stirring for just a couple of minutes until I can smell them. When I get that fragrance, I know that they're ready. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to wrap my aluminum foil around the cod, folding it at least 2 times at the top so that it seals nice and tight. And there we go. It's ready to put into the oven. I've got one in the oven that I'm going to take out right now. How moist and flavorful this is. Just look at that. Nice, flaky fish with fresh spinach. What a wonderful, healthy meal for a light springtime dinner. I'm Sue Doden, and now we're cooking.